To use or not to use starter fertilizer when seeding the lawn. Today, we're going to conduct a test that will take place over the span of 1 month, during which we'll observe the benefits of using starter fertilizer when seeding the lawn. Starter fertilizer is a professional lawn fertilizer with a high phosphorus content. Phosphorus helps the roots develop evenly and much faster. Additionally, this phosphorus helps the lawn establish itself more quickly. I recommend 3 scenarios where you should use starter fertilizer. When seeding, to help the lawn establish and root very quickly. When laying sod, for the same reason, because sod has very short roots and the lawn needs to root as quickly as possible. For a lawn that wasn't properly maintained the previous season and needs proper care this year. For example, in the spring, it can be used as a standalone fertilizer. This area is only 15 square meters, but it has been treated with herbicide and we will scarify very aggressively. We'll try to level it a bit and then we'll seed and conduct the test. We'll mark the area that will receive fertilizer and the one that won't. We won't apply fertilizer here, only on the other side. As for the amount, I'll use 35 grams of landscaper new grass per square meter. I won't spread it with the spreader because it has a wide radius, and in order to maintain control and avoid getting any on this section, I'll apply it manually. Now, after applying it, I'll provide updates to show the differences between with fertilizer and without fertilizer. Today marks 23 days since I started this test with the new grass starter from Landscaper. And I don't know if you can see, but in this area, the growth is underdeveloped, while in this area, it's better developed. And if you can't see it or it's not obvious, let's go back and check the differences. Now, if you look closely, the right side is much more noticeable because it's better developed, except for the weeds, which we'll address later. That's not what we're focusing on right now. We're concerned with how the lawn has developed. As you can see, the lawn is more developed on the right side than on the left. On the right, it's denser, while on the left, there are larger gaps. For irrigation, it was watered about 4 times a day with this Gardena, manually for 10 minutes each time. I watered manually to see if it really helps with establishment and stronger rooting when the lawn is lacking water. As you can see, it's much denser and better rooted, much better sprouted compared to the area that's underdeveloped. This test shows us that starter fertilizers with high phosphorus content really help with seeding or overseeding. By using the starter fertilizer, we give the lawn a better start. And this helps because the phosphorus in the starter will aid the lawn in developing stronger roots. And as you've seen, you can also use starter fertilizer to give your lawn a better start.